The greater sage grouse is a large grouse with a chubby, round body, small head, and long tail. Males change shape dramatically when they display, becoming almost spherical as they puff up their chest, droop their wings, and fan their tail into a starburst. Sage grouse are mottled grey-brown with a black belly. Males have a black head and throat. The breast has a fluffy white ruff that, during displays, surrounds a pair of inflatable yellow air sacs.
Females have a dusky cheek patch emphasized by white markings behind the eye.
For most of the year, sage grouse are inconspicuous, browsing on sagebrush and other plants at ground level.
In March to May, males perform elaborate strutting displays on patches of bare ground called leks. Females gather to evaluate the males and choose which ones to mate with.
Sage grouse are emblematic of the sagebrush steppe of the Intermountain West, which is their only habitat.
They are widespread across the sagebrush plains, but are sensitive to disturbance. In early spring, they gather on patches of open ground known as leks, where males display to females.